In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off age restrictions on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your account, and once it is done, tap right here at your channel's profile picture and then go to Settings. On Settings, tap at General, and in here you need to check if restricted mode is enabled. If this button next to restricted mode turned on, just tap on it to turn it off, and that will turn off any restrictions for your YouTube account.